Hey guys! I've always been fascinated by the invisible forces around us, and today, we're going to explore one that's shockingly cool. You know that feeling when you touch a doorknob and get a little zap? That's static electricity, and it's everywhere. Let's check this out. Have you ever rubbed a balloon on your hair and made it stick to the wall? That's pretty cool, right? It happens because we're transferring electrons, tiny negatively charged particles, from our hair to the balloon. Now watch this. We're going to do a simple experiment that'll show you the power of static electricity. First, we need to create some static charge. So I'm going to rub this balloon on my hair for about 30 seconds. You can see my hair starting to stand up. That's because we're separating electric charges. What's going on here? Well, when we rub the balloon on our hair, electrons move from our hair to the balloon, giving the balloon a negative charge. Now let's bring this charged balloon near a thin stream of water from the tap. Look at that! The water bends towards the balloon. That's static electricity in action. Isn't static electricity amazing? It's just one of the many fascinating forces that shape our world.